No, George and Cash. So sweet. Kesha, you're acting like you own Chachi. Hey, babies. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. So I am up and awake and getting ready for work. It's gonna be a short work week, seeing as I was off work last night. But yeah, just have 3 more nights to work this week. But yeah, I'm back in my boring swing of things, which is I'm at home and I sleep and I work and I walk to work and I just feel so boring. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I made of everything that we did at the fair. I had a really good time. There were a lot of people there. More people than I was comfortable being around. Like, wall-to-wall people on the main walkway of the fair. And it was a little bit quieter and not so populated on, like, the little side things that you go off into. But, yeah, it was still pretty fun. We really didn't do much besides walking around and looking at everything. I did get to ride the Ferris wheel for the first time, and I rode the tilt-a-whirl. And that's pretty much it. Everything else, we just kind of looked around and, you know, we were sightseeing and people watching, and we went to the petting zoo and everything. I didn't touch any of the animals. I have this thing about barnyard animals slobbering on me, so I just filmed everything while everybody else was petting on them and feeding them. But, not that I don't love animals, it was really smelly and gross and, ugh. But anyway, yeah, we had a pretty good time. It's gonna be really, I'm not really looking forward to this weekend because I'm not gonna get to see Matt at all. He's going to, St. Louis with his dad. They're going to watch some baseball games. So, after I said bye to him on Sunday, it's gonna be like 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks before I get to see him again. So I'm a little sad about that. Hey, baby Chachi. You're being such a sweet boy. Yes, you are. You're getting so fat. You eat too much. You're a cute baby though, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Would you like me to turn the camera off now? You're purring, but you look mad. Are you mad? How about you, Fuzzface? What are you up to? Meow. Kesha, are you adorable? Are you an adorable little kitty cat? You're being very uninteresting today. Did you know that? Okay. Boring. I think it's true love, folks. True love. Aww. Do you like getting pampered, Chachi? Hi, Kesh. Wow, okay. Kesh. Oh, Tot.